inside of me, and it can't be cast off. The cloud from cut from is always calling. How long I've wanted someone else just kind of crawling, graced with a gift that I can't say I wanted. Drunk in the rain, the sound of my solace when no stars can be found. I wish upon a cloud, but don't you cry for me. I've already shed enough and I will find no peace. Watching the world go by, I was left behind to rot, but the wrath inside can wash away the pain, like tears in the rain.
I promised to protect you, heart crushed when I made it. As long as I can fix you, I won't have to break it. Every night I'm haunted by the life I lost, a gift that was busted right out of the box, but I paid the price. So dry your eyes and no one cry for me. I've already shed enough. The devil I don't see is the one that was by my side. If I can't replace the day, I'ma pray that time rolls away the pain, like tears in the rain.
You gave me claws, I can't let go. I have a cause unlike these animals.